So we start off today's video with this long to bob haircut transformation. Stylist cuts the hair into this beautiful classic bob style. Gorgeous. This is definitely a classic effortless bob featuring a middle part down the center. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at nothing but bob haircut ideas. So if you've been dreaming of cutting your hair into a bob and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous pixie bob haircut. She is wearing that very popular beige blonde hair color trend. This is absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have a long to bob haircut transformation. Another gorgeous classic bob style that ends just above the shoulders. Gorgeous blunt ends. The stylist also has a beautiful bob as well. And then she goes in and adds a bit of curl to create that modern tousled look. And then we move into the next bob style. This one is more of like a mini bob, loving the blonde highlights around the face. Beautiful dimensional blonde color throughout. And then we see another pretty mini bob style. She does have the swoop bangs with this. Very pretty. Such an effortless, gorgeous bob haircut. And then we see a shoulder length to bob haircut. So she does get a nice color refresh with this as well. Wow. Absolutely stunning blunt blonde bob style. Gorgeous. It does feature a center part down the middle. So let us know in the comments which bob hairstyle is your favorite. So here we have someone with mid-length hair getting ready to get a bob. Ooh, absolutely stunning. This one does feature a few layers within it as well, really creating a nice face framing look. And then we have someone styling their bob. Now she has more of like a shoulder length bob style, and this is a great way to get some volume with the rollers. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these bob hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.